food. Healthy food includes wheat, pulses, fruits, etc. These are all required for having a properly balanced diet. All these foods contain the proper amount of carbohydrate, proteins, fats, mineral, vitamins. Wheat. Wheat offers plenty of carbohydrates plus some fiber and protein, too. Wheat grain is today the most important source of food on earth. Pulses. Pulses provide protein, fiber, carbohydrates, and several vitamins and minerals. They contain no cholesterol and little fat. Eating half a cup of beans or peas per day can enhance diet quality by increasing intakes of these nutrients. Fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in vegetables and fruits can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, lower risk of eye and digestive problems. Fruits and vegetables are a great source of vitamins and minerals. Nuts. Nuts and seeds are good sources of protein, healthy fats, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. They lower the risk of high blood pressure. Eat what fits in the palm of your hand in a day. Milk. Milk is one of the most nutritious drinks in the world. It's not only rich in high-quality protein, but also an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Milk benefits bone health and prevent weight gain.